All right, finally finished these videos. Now let me see how much I've made, and it's not even been an hour. Wow, I made this much? What is this again?
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $126 in 1 hour just watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this, let me tell you about something I have in the description below. Click where it says free giveaways. Now, these free giveaways will help you on your journey to making money online. But to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So make sure you subscribe, go down to the bottom, click in that link where it says free giveaways and get this free stuff. Also got other cool stuff in the description below where all you have to do is click on the link, sign up, and get paid the same day. So go check that out also. All right, please watch this video to the very end. Don't skip over anything. You need to watch it all the way through to understand how you can make this $126 in 1 hour watching videos. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called coinbase.com/earn/stellar. So all you're gonna do is watch some videos. And here's the videos you're gonna watch where it says lesson 1, what is Stellar? Lesson 2, what are Stellar lumens? Lesson 3, sending remittance with Stellar. Lesson 4, how banks, business, and people use Stellar. Lesson 5, how does Stellar protect digital assets? So this is a Coinbase is a cryptocurrency platform. And so you're going to be using this system called, going to use this system called Stellar to send money from one country to another. So you'll look at those videos so you can earn money that way. Right here, you earn money when you invite friends. So you invite up to 4 friends, earn XLM2. And so you earn $10 in XLM for each eligible friend who completes a lesson. So they got to complete a lesson similar like what you did. So also when you sign up, you can earn $50. So if you add that up, that's going to add up to $126 just to watch these videos. And here's the other money you can earn. Earn $20 here, start a course. Start a course here, earn $50. Start a course here, earn $10. So that's all you have to do. And you can do this within 5, 10, 15 minutes because the videos are not that long. The video is probably 1-2 minutes long. As you can see right here, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. So if you're interested in this, go to coinbase.com/earn-stellar. /earn/stellar. All right, now you know the website you can start using right now to watch videos and make $126 in 1 hour. So all you have to do is just go in the description below, click on my link. That'll take you to that page. Sign up. Watch those videos and make money. Take that quiz and make money. And refer friends and make even more money. So that's all you have to do. It's very, very easy. All right. Thank you for watching this video to this point. And for you guys that made it to this point, I want to go ahead and offer you guys a special bonus. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down in this video, and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. Now I'm currently at 395. I got a little ways to go. I'm moving kind of slow, but I know I'm gonna get there. But with you guys' help, with you new guys that's watching this video, just subscribe now. We'll get there even faster. So what I'm gonna do is, once I make it to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So again, if you're new, please subscribe and leave that comment down below. All right, that's it. I'm finished. Please hit that like button, because I want to get 25 likes. If we can get 25 likes, that's going to help this video be seen on YouTube, and that will mean put more potential subscribers. That'll help us get to 500 subscribers even faster, so I can give out this money faster. All right. Also, please leave that comment down below if you have any questions about this video. And please share this video on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm out of here for real. Thanks again for you guys' support. I really appreciate it. And before I leave, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is Grind TV.